guys, it's Sabrina. So this is my first video on my YouTube channel. So hope you guys enjoy this video because I'm gonna talk about myself. Hi, this is my sister, my first sister, Natasha. Okay, so where should I start? Okay, so I want to talk about my name first. I have quite a long name. I'm Your Honor Sabrina, but I prefer people to call me Sabrina because I like the name. Thank you, Mom, because she gave me that name. Thank you so much. Okay, and next, by this August 6, 2015, I'm officially 15 years old, but now I'm still 14. I'm Malaysian, but I stay in Saudi Arabia because I follow my dad. Because he works here in Saudi, so I have to. So okay, so I study in ISG school, which is American school. Okay, so what else? Oh yeah, I want to talk about my sibling. Okay, I have 4 siblings altogether, including me. First, my older sister, Natasha. Second sister is Norisha, and third is me, Sabrina. And last but not least, my one and only little brother, Haikal. So, oh yeah, I want to share with you what is my favorite colors. So my favorite colors are pink, red, black, yellow, and purple. Okay, so now we are ordering what we want for iftar today because now we are at Johor Mall. So we have to iftar here because if we want to go back home, it will take a lot of time and it's not very close to our home. So we have to iftar here. So we are iftar in Sizzler house. I have done my iftar and I feel so full right now. So now I just have to perform my makrim. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can comment down below if you have any questions to ask me. Yeah. Bye.